The Accounting Office of Central Mindanao University is a non-profit, service-oriented unit that manages and reports the university financial transaction based on government accounting standards. It is located at the Administration Building, University Town, Muswan, Maramag, Bukidnon. It works closely with the key offices like the Budget, Treasurer, Cashier's Office to ensure efficient coordination with faculty, students, auditors, and partners. The receiving outgoing area handles the logging, stamping, and forwarding of financial documents to ensure proper tracking and coordination across departments. The Accounting One processes disbursements, validates documents, ensures budget availability, and maintains compliance with accounting rules while supporting audits and reports. The payroll team is responsible for accurately processing employee salaries, deductions, and benefits on time. This includes managing time records, preparing pay slips, handling task and compliance requirements, and ensuring confidentiality. The team also responds to employee payroll inquiries and supports reporting for accounting and audits. The Cashier's Office oversees the collection and disbursement of student payments, processes transactions, issues receipts, and updates financial records. During our internship, we identified our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which highlighted our internship experience at the accounting unit. One of the strengths we identified is we gained hands-on experience with real accounting tasks, improved teamwork and communication skills, and built self-confidence in a professional setting. We also faced some weaknesses. Initially, we feared making mistakes and found it difficult to ask questions or adapt quickly to the fast-paced environment. Despite the difficulties, we discovered many opportunities for growth. Constructive feedback from mentors help us grow personally and professionally. We also enhance our resumes and gain clarity about our career paths. We also encountered some threats. We faced pressure to perform and challenges with new tools. Negative feedback was tough, but it taught us resilience and importance of learning from setbacks. In the accounting office, there are certain challenges that are commonly encountered. One of the most frequent issues is miscommunication during busy hours. There are instances when instructions are given, but due to the pressure or the overwhelming workload, you fail to fully absorb what was said. You might appear to be listening, but your mind isn't fully focused. As a result, you end up asking the same questions again, something that can cause frustrations, especially when everyone is already occupied with their task. Another unavoidable aspect in any workplace environment is gossip. Sometimes, lapses or mistakes can become topics of casual conversation among colleagues, which may affect morale and working relationships. Because of this, it is very important to stay focused, listen attentively, and be detail-oriented at all times. This quality helps prevent misunderstanding and promote a more professional and efficient work environment. During our internship at the Accounting Office, we identified a few ways to improve future programs. First, start with a clear orientation to explain roles and expectations. Provide strong guidance and regular check-ins, especially early on. Next, offer a training on commonly used accounting softwares. Encourage collaboration through group tasks and involvement meetings. Last, give constructive feedback to support intern growth.